Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you why sometimes your Photoshop brush just stops working. I know it can be extremely frustrating. So what happens is that when you're doing your painting and then you decide to grab like the lasso selection tool, you make your selection and maybe you want to paint within the selection or you want to move your selection to a different location of your painting, and then so that you can go on to continue painting. What happens is that in most cases, sometimes once you make the selection, you forget to deselect or you miss out on deselecting the whole previous selection, which makes your brush not work because the brush is reading that you want to paint within the selection. So like in this case, we have this tiny selection right here that you can't easily notice, and that's the reason why our brush is no longer working. So the simple solution to this is to just go to your lasso selection tool and then you right click and choose deselect. And once you do that, you can now find that your brush is working once again. Yeah, if you found this helpful, if you faced the same issue and this has solved your problem, please like this video and subscribe so that other people may also get this recommendation and we end their frustration. Thank you for watching.